Hello friends, in this lecture we will study that what is service rule and what are the different types of customers who are going in the queue. So basically service rule is how they are being provided the service, okay, whether some rules are followed or not, okay, whether some rules are followed to provide the service to the customer or not, okay. You know that when you reach at the counter first, you are getting the service first, okay. So this is one of the rule that who will come the first is going to get the service first, okay. So the rule can be first in and first out, or first come or first serve, okay. Anything can be possible. So there are basically four different kinds of service rule which are provided in this queuing theory or waiting line theory, and there are also five types of customers, okay. There are basically five types of customers who are coming in the queue. So we will study it one by one. So our first one is service rule, okay. Service rule. Okay, so the first service rule is first come, first serve. First come, first serve. Or it is also known as first in, first out. Okay, first in, first out, or first come, first serve. So it is short is first come, first serve, and first in, first out. FIFO. Okay, FIFO and FCFS. So basically the customer who is coming first is getting the service first, okay. So it is basically seen at the ATM machines, okay. The customer who is standing in the first position is getting the service first, okay. So basically these type of rules are used when human beings are employed at both the ends. Generally when human beings are present, when human beings are present at both the ends, okay. When human beings are present at both the ends, basically in the queue also human beings are there, and at the service provider also human being is present. So basically first in, first out, or first come, first serve rule is preferred, okay. So it can be used at the ticket counters, okay. It can be used at the ticket counters. First come, first serve, okay. First come, first serve. So it is one of the service providing rule, okay. It is very simple. Second one is first last come, or you can say last in, first out. Last in, first out. It is known as LIFO, last in, first out, okay. So generally in the libraries, we use this type of service rule, okay. What happens that suppose you are going to submit the books, okay. You are going to submit the books in the library. So the person who is giving his books is kept at some table, okay. Suppose the next person comes, okay. Suppose the next person comes after you, so he is going to give his book. So the librarian is going to keep his book here. Then the next person came, then the third person comes, and the librarian is going to keep his book at this place, okay. So in this manner the sequence continues, and when these books are going to be kept at their respective places, okay, when these books are going to be kept at their respective places, so you can see that this black color book came first position and this blue color book came at the last position. But when they are going to be kept on their respective places, this book is going to be first and this book is going to be last. It means you can say that it came last, okay. It came last, but it is being provided the service first. Okay, it came last when, but it is being provided the service first. So this type of rules are known as last in first out, or last come first serve. Okay, so these type of rules are used when there is non-living things are involved. Okay, non-living things like books are involved in the system. Okay, the third one is priority treatment. Priority treatment. Okay, so it may be that there are some people who has got priority. Okay, so the people who have got more priority, they will be treated first. Examples can be in emergency ward. Okay, in emergency ward, in hospitals, a normal patient came. Okay, so he will get the treatment at any stage of time. But suppose a very serious person comes, okay, or very serious patient comes, then he will get the treatment in emergency ward as soon as possible. Okay, as soon as possible. So in this cases, we try to use the priority treatment. Okay, so priority treatment can be defined from its name only. Okay, in emergency wards we use these type of things. Okay, in emergency ward we use these type of things. So it is basically priority treatment. And the last one is service in random, that is SIRO, SIRO, service in random. Okay, service in random. In these types of service rule, anyone, okay, anyone from the queue can get the service. Okay, suppose it is not fixed. Okay, suppose he is the first person, second person, third person, and fourth person. Okay, so in case of SIRO, service in random, you can see that service is provided randomly. Okay, service is provided randomly, no any sequence is followed. So any one of person can get the service. Suppose the third person can get the service, then the first person can get the service, or the fourth person can get the service. So this is service in random, where anyone from the queue can get the service. Anyone from the queue can get the service. So this is SIRO. Basically this happens in multiple servers. Okay, this happens when there are multiple servers. So this is all about service rule. Okay, 4 types of service rules are followed. Okay, this is all about service rule, and 4 types of service rule are followed: LIFO, FIFO, service in random, and priority treatment. Now talking about the types of customer. Types of customers. So basically there are 2 types of customers. Okay, basically there are 2 types of customers. The first one is patience customer who do not get involved in other means. They simply come in the queue, they stand, and they just try to wait for their turn. Okay, these are the types of customer who simply comes, joins the queue, and wait for their turn, so that whenever the turn comes, they will get the service. And the other ones are impatience. Okay, these customers are impatience, means they are just opposite to these type of persons. So in impatience there is 4 categories. The first one is balking. The second one is reneging. The third one is jockeying, and the fourth one is cheater. Okay, so these are the customer who comes and joins the queue and wait for their turn to arrive. Okay, but these customers are little bit of different in nature. Okay, so the first one is balking, the second one is reneging, the third one is jockeying, and the fourth one is cheater. Okay, so these are the different kinds of customer. One by one we will study. So the first one is balking. So these are the customer. Basically, suppose these are the customer who comes and sees and watches the queue. Okay, and he starts calculating in his mind that if I join the queue now, then after what time I am going to get out from the queue, or after what time I am going to get my service. So, and when he thinks that no, it is not possible to join the queue, he simply comes there, watches the queue and does not join the queue and goes back. So these are known as walking. They generally walk away. Okay, they generally walk away. They come and do not join the queue. Okay, so these are the customers who comes and does not join the queue. Okay, they did not join the queue and walks away from the queue and walks away without joining the queue. So these customers are known as walking. Okay, so they think that it is going to take a lot of time, I will come next day. Okay, these are the customers who are thinking that it is going to take a lot of time. Okay, so they generally what they do, they walk away. So the other kind, so second type of customers were reneging. So these are the customers. So renegings are basically customers who comes and join the queue. Okay, they are basically, they come to the system and they join the queue. And leaves the queue. Okay, at one place they leave the queue as the queue moves very slowly. Okay, so these are known as reneging. Okay, these are the kind of customers who comes into the system, joins the queue, and after some time they leave the queue. Why? Because they think that the queue is moving very slowly. Okay, so these type of customers are known as reneging customers. They joins the queue and then leaves the queue as the queue is moving very slowly. The third one is jockeying. Okay, the third one is jockeying. Customers who keeps changing the queue. Okay, so suppose server 1, server 2 and the people are standing. So jockeying are basically the customers. Suppose a person's come here, a person is standing here, and when he sees that this line is moving in a fast manner, so he suddenly shifts to this place. Okay, he suddenly shifts to this place, and suppose there is other line, and if he sees that the other line is moving more fastly, then he can shift to this type of line. So these type of customers are known as jockeying, who keeps changing the queue. Okay, the customer who keeps changing the queue, but this changing is possible only at the start. Okay, it is not like that 20 people are standing here, 20 people are standing there. Okay, so he suddenly cannot keep changing the queue. So jockeying is possible only at the start of the time. Okay, only at the start of some time. Okay, up to 5 minutes, up to 10 minutes. Okay, it is not possible that whole day he keeps changing the queue. Okay, throughout the day he is just doing what? He is just changing the queue. It is not possible. Okay, it is only possible for some period of time. Okay, so these are the jockeying customer who keeps changing the queue. And the last one was cheaters. Okay, the last one was cheaters. From the name only it is clear that last one is cheaters. Customers who uses illegal means to join the queue. Okay, so cheaters are those customers who uses illegal means, okay, to join the queue. Okay, so that they can get the service easily or at a faster rate.